Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're taking a look at the Viver 20, one of the best MPPT solar charge controllers for maximizing solar efficiency. So, let's get started. Product features: exceptional charging efficiency. The standout feature of the Viver controller is its MPPT technology, which boosts energy conversion efficiency up to 98%. Compared to traditional PWM controllers, this ensures that your solar panels work at optimal power, charging your batteries faster and more effectively. Wide compatibility with multiple battery types. This 20-amp charge controller is designed to work with a wide variety of solar power setups. It supports sealed, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries, making it perfect for home solar systems, RVs, boats, or even portable setups. Easy-to-use LCD interface. The built-in LCD display allows you to monitor real-time voltage, current, temperature, and system status. It's user-friendly and provides essential data at a glance. The R232 communication port also supports Modbus protocol for those who want to integrate the controller into a more advanced system. Stable operation in any weather. Equipped with temperature-sensing technology, the Viver controller automatically adjusts the charging mode to suit environmental conditions. Whether you're in hot summers or cold winters, the system remains stable and efficient. Strong safety and protection features. The Viver 20-amp MPPT Solar Charge Controller is built with strong safety and protection features to ensure reliable and secure operation. It protects against battery reverse connection, PV reverse connection, short circuits, overcurrent during charging, and even lightning strikes. These safeguards help prevent damage and ensure long-term performance in any setup. Pros: high-efficiency MPPT tech with up to 98% conversion rate. Compatible with multiple battery types. LCD screen for real-time data tracking. Modbus support for system integration. Temperature adjustment for stable operation. Strong safety protections for long-term use. Cons: only supports systems up to 20 amps. Not suitable for very large solar setups. Requires basic knowledge for proper configuration with Modbus systems. No Wi-Fi or app support for remote monitoring. Final thoughts. The Viver 20-amp MPPT Solar Charge Controller is a great investment for anyone serious about optimizing their solar energy system. With exceptional energy conversion, broad compatibility, and reliable performance across weather conditions, it offers great value, especially at its price point. The added safety features make it a dependable choice for beginners and pros alike. For more details or to make a purchase, check the product link in the description below. And be sure to subscribe to Best Product for reliable insights and practical tech solutions. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.